What's up, kaibigan? What's up, everyone? Guys, hope you guys doing great today. I just want to show you guys so we bought a new frame. So bed. They call it Dublin. So it's a Dublin 54 by 75 sleep type. It's basically a full-size bed. Our old size type bed is queen. So this is gonna be queen size. It's gonna be much smaller. So our room anyway is not that really big. It's only 10 feet by 10 feet. So this should be perfect right here for two people. And also this is gonna be another frame. This one that I'm gonna unbox this and I'll see you guys a little bit. What's up, kaibigan? Let's do this. Alright guys, I'll see you guys. Stay safe everyone. What's up, kaibigan? Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you. Let me take a nap for a while, maybe a little bit, you know?